Welcome to Trev. Fuck it. Oh, fuck. Fuck this, it's raining.
Photos. Come on, nice, big smile. Come on, fully get into it. Get into it.
Fuck you, cunt.
Settle down. Trev. It's not gonna end well.
Pretty fucking hot. So, get one of these ones. No fucking weed. Sit cunts.
It can fuck up, like, weeks, you know? Like, I was staying in a hotel and the soap was really nasty, and I had an itchy asshole for, like, a week, and I could have won $1 million. I still would have been going, fuck my asshole! It itches! I wanted to, like, eat bad food so I would, like, fart to scratch it. That's how itchy it was.